I want to show you how to check the rubric and my comments on graded assignments. So I'm going to grades and I'm interested in the diagnostic. I am in as the test student currently, so I submitted an incomplete diagnostic, just a response paragraph, not the summary. So I'm going to click on view feedback to have a look at the comments. So you see I leave my comments in green. I encourage you to read this response paragraph. It's from your class. It's someone who did a great job. She has a topic sentence that's personal and relevant to the assigned reading and great personal evidence. So I encourage you to look at that. And now I'm going back to look at the rubric because I really want to know why I only got 10 out of 20 for this assignment. So I click here and I can see, oh, right, I forgot to submit my summary, so I got zeros on that. My response paragraph was great.